Hi, in this video, we will see how we can actually fix up a very common problem in a Microsoft Outlook where we are getting this error whenever we try to open any email from our inbox. The error is something like the text formatting command is not available. It may be installed incorrectly and it asks you for install the Microsoft Outlook again. But this problem can easily be solved without actually installing the Microsoft Outlook again. And if you have noticed that even restarting of the Outlook actually doesn't fix this problem. So let's follow these steps and you will definitely able to solve this problem. But before starting the solution part, I must say that you must have the admin rights in your machine to apply these fixes. So let's begin with the solution now. What you have to do here is you have to go to this search and right here control panel and click on this, and in this control panel you have to go to this programs section and then click on this uninstall a program. So the list appears here, and in this list you look for the Microsoft Office, which is here, uh, Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 version. So in your case, it might be a different version like Microsoft Enterprise version or Home Basics. It depends. So once you locate this Microsoft Office package in the control panel, right click the mouse and then you will find a change option here. Click on the change and it will ask for some permission. Just give the permission by selecting the yes. Now we have two options, quick repair and online repair. So select this online repair now and then press this repair button. So it is telling you like we will download the files to repair your installation. This may take some time and requires an internet connection. And another important thing I would like to add here, make sure that none of your Microsoft Office products like Word, Excel, Outlook, anything should be open while you are doing the repair. Make sure they are closed. After that, you press this repair button, and now you can see the repair has been started actually. It takes some time, uh, so it depends on the speed of your network also. Now you can see here the status is like the things are getting ready now. We will wait for some more time now to get this finished. Now you can observe this office icon here in the bar, and if you click on this, uh, you will see here the some notification like office is installing in the background. So let's wait for some more time. Right now it's 5%, the installation is happened. You can see the installation is now 97%, so it is about to finish. So finally we have the message installation is finished. Your office product is now completely installed. So once the installation is finished, you can restart your Outlook and this will fix your problem. The Outlook will work fine well again. So I hope this video helps you in fixing this issue. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.